Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you achieve financial freedom one step at a time. Today's topic is one I'm incredibly passionate about because I lived it. I'm going to walk you through how I paid off $30,000 in debt in just 1 year. And yes, I did it while working a regular full-time job. No windfalls, no miracles, just consistent strategy. It all started with a mindset shift. I got real with myself about my spending. I stopped blaming outside circumstances and decided enough is enough. I wanted peace, I wanted freedom, and I was willing to do the work. The first big change? I slashed unnecessary expenses. That meant cutting out fast food, canceling unused subscriptions, and saying goodbye to impulse shopping. I learned how to cook, meal prep, and find joy in low-cost hobbies. Next, I built a detailed budget, not just a list of bills, but a real plan. I used apps like Mint and YNAB to track every dollar. This showed me exactly where my money was going and how I could redirect more of it toward debt. Saving alone wasn't enough. So I got creative. I took on part-time weekend gigs, dog walking, delivery apps, freelance projects. I even sold clothes I didn't wear anymore. Every extra dollar went straight to my debt snowball. Anytime I made a little more money, I didn't spend it. I threw it at my debt. Tax refunds, bonuses, side hustle cash, it all went toward crushing that balance faster. I made a visual tracker and colored in each payment. Celebrating those small wins made a huge difference. I also reminded myself of my why. I wanted to be free to save, invest, and stop living paycheck to paycheck. There were months I slipped. Life happens, unexpected bills, burnout, but I didn't quit. I adjusted my plan and kept going. Progress, not perfection. Then, after 12 months of focus, hustle, and sacrifice, I made my final payment. No more credit cards, no more collection calls, just a wave of relief and a whole new level of confidence. Paying off debt wasn't just about numbers, it was about growth. I learned discipline, I learned to delay gratification, and I discovered how capable I am when I have a clear goal and a plan. If you're buried in debt right now, I get it, it's heavy, but trust me, you can do this. Start small, stay consistent, and don't underestimate what you can accomplish in one focused year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this encouragement. Comment below and let me know your debt-free goals. I'd love to cheer you on. Thanks so much for watching. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video where we keep glowing smarter with our money.